Hi everyone, so this is my review of the Coca-Cola baby hamper. You can see the brand right here. I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like, what it does. You can see it's got a wood frame that easily bends to close to store, folds up easily to take up less space. This is the top. It just hangs on top. You flip it open and it's got this mesh bag inside and then the actual hamper, I guess. What's nice about this is it's very lightweight because there's not a whole lot to it. What I like about the inside, this liner, to take the baby clothes out, this all comes right out. Just pull this part off. And then you take the bag and just dump out the clothes and throw the bag in too. And then you're just left with the liner. But then if you want to clean this, this also comes off with Velcro. Comes apart there and underneath here in the middle on Velcros. Now, I saw these online I looked them up on Google and clicked the like the shopping link, so it tells you all the comparison prices. The cheapest I found them around, and not even this pattern, just Coca-Cola hampers, the cheapest I found was about 25 bucks. I got mine actually in a thrift store, which is why I can't really tell you the date of the pattern, if they still have this, or what year this pattern was. But I was excited about the price because in the thrift store I got it for $3 instead of $25. So for $25, I don't know if I would spend $25 on a hamper like this because it seems so much like it's mostly cloth. There's not too much to it. I might buy like a sturdier, like plastic one or something. But for the price, or if you can get it on sale or something, I think it is really cute. I love that all the pieces come out. It's easy to clean. That's the thing too, if you get a plastic one, you might have to wipe down the whole inside and stuff. This one, you just take it off and throw it in the washer, and 2 seconds you're done. And I think the pattern is so cute in the pictures. Online they have a bunch of patterns, and I guess they match their bedding sets and stuff. So that's the Coca-Cola hamper. Let me know if any of you guys have one, what you think.